A tangent line is a line that matches a curve's direction at one exact point. For the graph y equals x squared, we want the tangent line at the point 2, 4. So really, this is a slope problem. We are trying to find the slope of the curve exactly at x equals 2. First, picture the parabola y equals x squared. Near the bottom, it's flatter, and as you move right, it gets steeper. That means the slope changes depending on where you are. A regular straight line has one constant slope, but a curve does not. That's why we use derivatives. The derivative tells us the slope of the curve at every x value. For y equals x squared, the derivative is dy over dx equals 2x. That expression is like a slope machine. Plug in any x value and it gives the slope there. Now we care about x equals 2, so substitute 2 into the derivative. M equals 2 times 2, which equals 4. So at the point 2, 4, the curve has slope 4. In plain language, the graph rises 4 units for every 1 unit to the right at that exact spot. Now we build the tangent line. We know 2 things. The slope is 4, and the line passes through the point 2, 4. That's exactly what point slope form is for. Write y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Now substitute the values. Y minus 4 equals 4 times x minus 2. Next, simplify step by step. Distribute the 4. Y minus 4 equals 4x minus 8. Add 4 to both sides. Y equals 4x minus 4. That's the tangent line equation. Quick check. If x equals 2, then y equals 8 minus 4, which is 4. Perfect. Pattern to notice. At x equals a, the tangent line to y equals x squared is y minus a squared equals 2a times x minus a.